Welcome back. Today we will see how you can manage tasks in Vtiger. To create a task, click on the Task Management button on upper right corner. You can sort the tasks based on due dates, assigned users, or current status. Here, the default view of tasks is displayed on priority. To create a standalone task, click on the plus button. Add the name of task in the task box and click Save. To adjust the priority of task, you can drag it from low priority to medium or high priority. Select the checkbox to change the status of task to Done and remove it from the queue. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.